All my life I had to fight. I had to fight my daddy. I had to fight my uncles. I had to fight my brothers. Girl, child ain't safe in the family men's. But I ain't never thought I had to fight in my own
JSU faculty and staff, you are invited to The Color Purple. The Department of Speech and Theater at Jackson State University invites you to our fall musical extravaganza, The Color Purple. The Broadway smash hit is directed by Dr. Mark G. Henderson and includes a stellar cast of performers, musical direction, choreographers, and designers. Come prepared for a memorable experience. Your presence will mean a great deal to our students, faculty, and staff who put forth great efforts to educate, entertain, and offer social change through the vehicle of theater. Come join us for this musical extravaganza on October 31st, November 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 5th at 7:30 p.m. and on November 4th at 3 p.m. Ticket prices are $20 general admission, $10 for JSU students with ID, $10 also for senior citizens, $15 for groups of 15 or more. JSU students can attend absolutely free on Wednesday, October 31st, Friday, November 2nd at 7:30 p.m. and Friday, November 2nd at 10 a.m. And for more information, feel free to call the box office at 601-979-5956 or 601-979-4309 or visit our website at www.jsums.edu speech and theater. See you there.